Yeah.
Okay. Your message, okay, we'll come to that. But now in terms of you being a gospel musician, we have so many people, I mean, I could quote even the likes of Whitney Houston, who started in church, but with time, when the gift seems to be coming to the surface, it's kind of overshadows what started it off. How have you managed to keep yourself within gospel?
I think after campus, because when I was in campus, I was in Daystar, you know, there are a lot of people that we used to sing with who, you know, seemed to do well. We used to sing gospel together, and then along the way they went different ways. And there was a time I thought they were doing much better than I am, you know, because now all of a sudden they have money, they're doing well, they're going outside the country. Mimi bado ni koroko. I'm just going around churches, and you know, but you know, I think my father was there for me to encourage me that some people go, this is what he told me, you'll watch some people go so fast up, they'll go really fast, wakupite, waenda tu pole pole. But then along the way, because they're going the wrong way, you know, it's like a cartoon. You know how someone goes quite up, the cartoons go up quickly and then they come down, shoo, that sort of thing. So he told me, just walk your race. Walk with God. It may not be easy, you may not be a millionaire very fast, but remain faithful to the call. I think there was a particular time the challenge was like, okay, what is this? My friends are doing really well and I'm really not doing well, you know, in terms of finances, singing my gospel. So, but remaining consistent. Our God is faithful. It may take time sometimes when you're being faithful, but it pays off.
It pays off.
Yeah.
All right. I want us to play one of